This is Came to My Rescue in the Key of C by Dylan Thomas, Joel Davies, and Marty Sampson. Hope you love how simple this is. I've just kind of stripped out a lot of the excess chords for you. As always, stop on the video and you will see the description below, and I have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. All right, so in the key of C, we have three main chords. We have C, F, G, and then in this song, we also have the A minor chord. So let's go through those really simple chords. C chord is made up of C, E, G. F chord, F, A, C. Move up one note, that is a G chord. G, B, D. Move up one note, and we have our A minor. A, C, E. Okay? So review, we have a C chord, F, move up, G, move up one more, and A minor. Okay, left hand's gonna be playing just single notes, so you can kind of camp out here with thumb on C, line up your 5 fingers, and leave your hand to hear this whole song. That'll help simplify it as well. So we have a C note with a C chord, F with F, just doing the single notes, G to G, and A minor to A in the bass, okay? All right, let's look at a rhythm that we could do to bring the two hands together. We're gonna go together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Move to the F chord and do that same thing. Just practicing that nice marching rhythm. G, A minor. All right, so let's add in some vocals in verse 1. You'll know what I mean. We're gonna start, and we're just gonna be if you notice that sometimes music has these beautiful patterns that really simplify the song as well. So if you look at verse 1, 2, and the chorus, you're playing the same pattern of C, G, A minor, F, repeat. C, G, A minor, F, okay? So if you simplify it like that, the only thing new would be the bridge, in which we would just go A minor, G, C, G, A minor, and G, and then it kind of like how that kind of simplifies that ending. It goes G, and then it kind of resolves with the note right below it. Okay, so that being said, let's bring in verse 1 and add in some vocals, okay? Just listen through as I play verse 1. And falling on my knees in worship, giving all I am to seek your face, Lord, all I am is yours. Okay, all right, let's join in verse 2. Here we go. I'm going to slow it down a little bit. My whole life I, G, place in your hands, A minor, God of mercy, F, when bold I bow down, C, in your G, A minor, and on the F. Let's go into the chorus with that same pattern. I called, you answered, and you F to my rescue, and C, I wanna be where you, A minor, and F. Let's repeat that chorus. I see, you answered, and you F to my rescue, and C, I wanna be G, you are. Let's go into that bridge. Here he comes with the A minor. In my life, G, be lifted, C, in our world, G, be lifted high in our love, G, be lifted, F. Let's repeat that bridge. minor. In my life, be lifted high in our world. G, be lifted high. A minor. Love, G, be lifted high. Then you can go back into that chorus. And I called. And you can go through that chorus, kind of loop back and forth, and then build back into that bridge. It's a really beautiful piece. I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can go back to the beginning if you need a little help. There's so much repetition in here. Break it up into those chunks, and you'll realize how simple it really can be. Have fun. And falling on my knees in worship, giving all I am to seek your face. Lord, all I am is yours. And my whole life I place in your hands. God of mercy, humbled I bow down in your presence as your throne. And I called, you answered, and you came to my rescue, and I wanna be where you are. And I called, you answered, and you came to my rescue, and I wanna be where you are. And my life be lifted high in our world, be lifted high in our love. G, be lifted high. And I called, you answered, and you came to my rescue, and